What does your BTS, what does your army mean to you?
아미가 우리에게 어떤 것을 의미하는가요? Come on, God.
아미는 뭐 저에게 모든 것을 주고 있죠. 아미는 저희에게 정말 모든 것입니다. 지금 우리가 이 살아가는데 물이나 공기나 뭐 이런 거 정말 필요한 것들이 많잖아요. 저희에게 아미는 그런 존재죠.
In English. Go.
Ami is all, you know,
Ami is everything.
everything.
Ami is water.
Ami is water and Ami is air and you know.
So they are
Like
they're why
necessary.
you're here.
Yep. That's just it.
쳐다보지 마세요.
And Jimin, come on. What were you want to say?
They are ones that give us happiness. So we love you.
So is
Well
that
done.
if I said give me one message to your army?